Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video we are going to see C Sharp if else. So how these if else conditions will be there and what will be the shorthand if else condition, how we have to write in C Sharp. So all these things we are going to see in this video. So as you know, we have started CSharp tutorials. We have covered so many topics so far and so many parts. So if you haven't watched those parts, go to my channel, check out the playlist called CSharp tutorial. You will find the videos in a systematic order. You can watch all those videos so that you'll get the concept better. So for upcoming videos, you have to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get notified each time when I upload a new video. C Sharp itself is similar to other programming languages, not quite different from others. It is similar to the other programming languages. It's the conditions and if statements. Like in C Sharp, usually we have already seen the previous videos like logical operations, like for mathematical operations like less than or equal to, greater than equal to, or equal to, and we have not equal to kind of thing. So all these things we have seen, like we can use these conditions to perform different actions, and based upon different actions and results we can take different decisions actually. So C Sharp has following conditional statements. These are if, else, and else if, and switch. These are the four conditions which we have in C Sharp. Like if is nothing but which will specify a piece of block that to be executed if the specified condition is true. Else is the piece of block that will be executed if the condition is false what you have specified. And where else if is the condition where is a specific new condition to test. Like if the first condition is false, then you can take another more condition to test. Like at the time we can use this else if and switch. We know, right, to specify many alternative blocks of codes to be executed, we use switch. So let's see one by one. First of all, we will see with the if condition, if statement. So let's see if statement is nothing but if statement is to specify a block of code to be executed in a condition is true, right? So if this is the syntax for that if and condition we have to specify, and the curly braces. In between curly braces, we will have some block of code to be executed. So if you have to note one point that if is a lowercase letters, the uppercase letters or if or capital if will generate an error. You have to give that is a lowercase only. So here you have to follow this syntax actually. In the below example, you can test two values to find out of that 20 is greater than 18 or not. If that is true, that will print this statement. So string 20 is greater than or 18. This text will be displayed in the console if this condition is true. So you can try this example. Yes, it is true. So this will print as an output. The second example, what they have is they are using variables instead of values. They are assigning int x is equal to 20 and int y is equal to 18, and they are using this operator, like greater than operator, to test whether 20 is greater than 18. So here you can see 20 is greater than 18, so the statement will be true. So x is greater than y will be printed. Here you can see the example is explained in this example. The above two variables x and y used to test x is greater than y using this greater than operator. As x is 20 and y is 18, we know that 20 is greater than 18. So we can print to the screen x is greater than y. So this will be the result. You can try this example so that you can see the result here. So x is a greater than y. So this is all about a if condition. Let's see else, how this else will work. As we know, if the condition which we have specified in if will be failed, then it will directly go to the else block. It will execute the statements present in the else block. So here it will be the syntax. This is also a normal lowercase only. So the specified condition in the if fails, then else block will got executed by default. So here we have a time into variable is equal to 20. If time is less than 18, so 18 is the highest, then we can say that as a good day. If this condition fails, then it will come and fall into else condition. Good evening will come. So based upon this condition, time is 20, not less than 18. So it will this condition will fail. This will give a result as false. So if condition will be true, then only this statement will executed. So now it is false, it will not execute. So because of this statement is false, it will go to else block, and this will be the output. Good evening will be the output. You can try this example based upon you can edit any other conditions so that you'll get the outputs there. So in this example, 20 is greater than 18, so the condition is false. Because of this, move on this else condition, print the screen on the good evening. The time is less than 18, then it will print good day. So see, I'm giving as so less than 18 I will give as 9, so that let's see output what I will get. I'm expecting output as good day because this statement is true, it will fall into this if condition, so here you will get the good day. So based upon the condition, if it is true it will go to if condition, if it is a false, if it will go to the else condition and print the or perform the operations which are present in that block of code. So next we have is else if. So this else if is a statement where you specify new condition if the first condition is fail. Here we have if condition that will fail. What will happen? Directly go to else block now. So if you want to add another more condition, so if that condition satisfied, then it will display that block of code. So otherwise, if this also fails, then it will go to else finally. So block of code to be executed if the condition 1 is false and condition is 2 is true. This condition to be false, then only it will go and check this condition. So if this condition will satisfy, then this particular block of codes will only execute it. It will not go to this condition. So let's see this with an example so that you will understand. So here you can see time as 22. If time is less than 10, then it will give good morning. If time is less than 20, it will give good day. If it is this condition also fail, then it will go to else, that is good evening. Here now time we have is 22, which is less than 10, no. Which is less than 20, no. So which is here two conditions are failing and it is greater than 20, right? So it will go to a good evening, you will get output as good evening. So in this example, you will understand, like you can read out this text to understand that example fine. In this example below, time is 20, which is greater than 10. So first condition is false. The second condition in the else if statement is also false because it is less than, not less than 20. So we move on to the else condition since first condition, second condition are both are false and print good evening as an output. However, if the time is 14, our program will put a good day. However, we can, if we reduce the time like to make it as a less than 20, if we give here as a 14 as they said, so you will get a good day because this is less than 20, right? So you will get good day if you run this particular the thing which we have edited as a 14 time. So good day. Whenever we make this thing as less than 10, the first condition will only becomes true. So this condition will get that you will get good morning as a result. So based upon the condition, the particular lines of codes will got executed. If this condition is true, these lines will be executed. If this condition is true, these lines will executed. This if these two or fail, then else will got executed. So one thing which we have to remember is if this condition is true, then it will stop here only, it will not go and check for this second condition. So that thing we have to keep it in mind while using this else if kind of things. So this is the else if. And one more thing which you have to know about is shorthand else if. So this is called as a ternary operator, which is a shorthand else if. So no need to write that many conditions are likewise. So is a ternary operator because it contains three operators, like it is used to replace multiple lines of codes with a single line. It is often used to replace simple else if conditions. For example, if you have one variable and in that variable you can assign values based upon some conditions, whether that condition is true, then it will take this true statement, then otherwise it will take that false statement. Like based upon like how will in if else we have, you will have a condition, if that is true it will give if blocks of codes will be executed. If that condition is false, else block of code will be executed. Like here also, if this condition is true, true statement will first statement is a true statement will execute, true expression will get executed. If this condition is a false, then it will go to a second condition, that is expression false condition. Instead of writing this many lines, you can do everything in a single line here itself. Like here you can see if is there, else is there. If this condition fail, it will go to into this likewise. So instead of that, you can simply write this like result is equal to time is less than 18. It will print good day. If this is false, it will go for good evening. The ternary operator, which will be same in the C Java, like same, It's a normal programming language, you can find these kind of things. The similarly in C sharp also you can use this ternary operator for simplifying purpose of like simply writing this if else condition in a single line. You can use this. So you can also try these examples exercises here. They're asking like print hello world if x is greater than y. So here you have to write lowercase only, uppercase it will not allow. Here you have to use this greater than symbol, then you will get the correct answer. Submit your answer and let me know you have given correct answer or not. And some more exercises will be there. You can try those exercises also. So this is all about if and else. In the next video, we'll see switch because this video will be lengthy. So I'm stopping here. In the next video, we'll see switch condition in C sharp, how we have to write. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up below and share this videos to your friends and colleagues who are at the learning stage of C sharp kind of things. These videos will definitely help them because we're explaining everything in detail with an example and with a simple English. Hope you enjoyed this video and like, share, and comment and subscribe for many more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.